Now I'll come to the various programs on the global and the Indian and the national level, which are being undertaken to, kind of decrease stigmatization and discrimination. And the first one is the WHO Global Strategy for Leprosy, which was a 5-year program. Basically, it started in 2016 and it progressed till 2020. So what this program was intending to do was, it had like pillars like, increased functioning of the government, increased incorporation of the government strategies, streamlining the government strategies for the care of these leprosy patients, detection of the leprosy cases, giving them treatment, preventing the deformities. And the third very major pillar of this program was to prevent discrimination and stigmatization. So WHO itself realizes that, this disease is associated with stigmatization and discrimination. So it has made that pillar a third major pillar of its strategy for the 5 years to decrease the prevalence. As far as India is concerned, so at the national level, there was this leprosy case detection campaign. So in this campaign, again, the healthcare workers was sent to these districts, these colonies where these leprosy patients are there, and they were spreading the knowledge about the disease. They were spreading that, it's wrong to have discrimination and stigmatization of these patients. The third one was the SPERSH program, and the purpose of SPERSH was again very interesting, because what they did was they spread the awareness about discrimination and stigmatization in an attempt. Their purpose was, if they eliminate the discrimination, if they remove the stigmatization, probably some of the hidden cases which we were discussing earlier, probably these hidden cases will come to the centers and will probably take the treatment. The fourth one is an online program, again a very important. It is by the name Nikusht. So it is a web-based system program where you can report, a new leprosy case, where you can report the discrimination against or the stigmatization, whatever is happening. So you don't need to go to any place. You just have to log in, and you can report anything which is related to leprosy.